Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily make your factory data reset on Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to settings. So in what situations you need to choose it if you sell your phone and you want to delete all info from your mobile phone. So you just reset reset your phone to factory data, and so just choose here about phone, and in about phone you choose backup and reset, and here you choose also in personal data. Just scroll down to personal data, and here you will find factory data reset. So just click here, and here you will find two different options: all files on the phone, all files and data including accounts, contacts, photos and apps, and format mock CD card. Formatting will erase all data on the CD card. So you just click here all files on the phone, and it will successfully delete all your info you also have on your phone, including all accounts, contacts, photos, apps, and all data. So this is how it works. But also you need to know that if you click here you can't recover your information. That's why you need to know if you need to copy some files if you want to save them, and you want to maybe you can also copy them to your laptop or some other things. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.